Diwali is the festival of lights.
We're coming here today to celebrate Diwali, which is the festival of lights, and it's a huge part of Indian culture and Hindu culture, where we're celebrating the battle of good over evil and happiness over sadness.
Festival of colors, it's a festival of food, it's a festival of giving thanks, celebrating with your family.
It's not only just about one part of India, it's all of India.
We are trying to bring together our community the same way that dance has really shaped us.
My name's Lasya. I am 20 years old. I have been dancing for about 16 years now. This festival to me is really, really important because for my family specifically, it's always a time for us to always get together at home. I've been doing Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is a dance form that's mainly centered around acting and storytelling. It started off as a dance drama tradition, kind of like plays and musicals where the dancers themselves would sing and dance at the same time.
We mainly do storytelling in the aspect of dance.
Hi, my name is Sonal Shah. I'm a resident of Howard County. My daughter does Kuchipudi. She's part of Kuchipudi Dance Academy.
Kuchipudi Dance Academy. Kuchipudi Dance Academy and the friends I made, my dance teacher, literally my second family. I see these girls on a daily basis. At this point, they're not even just my friends, they're like my sisters.
I absolutely love the academy. Gives them a lot of opportunities to grow.
I got really into dancing because my family really valued it and I enjoyed it over time, but the people in the community and the friends that we made have really helped us stick together and maintain that same love for dance that we've always had.
Dance has become such a therapy for me as well because it's just I get to put all my emotions out there and it's just you're putting yourself out into the world and it's such a freeing experience.
Just our culture in general, which is instilled in our dance, and that's what's in me, and that's kind of how I learned about more of my culture. Just going to temples and stuff doesn't just tell you about your culture, but actually doing it and being in it really helps.
I wanted to learn more about not just dance itself, but my culture, and also more about Hinduism, which is my religion.
I feel dance has just brought me it's shaped me so much as a person. It's brought me closer to my expressions and my emotions. And I feel I wouldn't be who I am right now without dance.
My name is Sridevi Yogeshwar. I live in Clarksburg. Today I have a vendor for henna. Henna is a very traditional, good luck kind of a thing. So we always have a henna on for any festival, and it has a lot of artistic, intricate design. So it starts with simple to complicate henna design. So I have made few on the paper. So we have a lot of mandala design. So there are a lot of designs available. That is the concept of henna.
My name is Sushma. I'm from Rani Collections. Yeah, my boutique name is Rani Collections. My tradition is saris, salwars, and half saris. So I have everything in my collection, South Indian, North Indian. So I love to pass my culture to next generation. These called Jimmy Choo saris now in very fashion. These are cocktail saris, and this is pure Kanjivaram sari. This is a very famous in South Indian. It's a pure Kanjivaram silk, pure silk sari. And this is our traditional saris. All these are Kanjivaram saris. And this is Banaras sari. This is another tradition of North Indian. So this is a Banaras sari. And all these are salwars. As I mentioned, it's very comfortable, at the same time very traditional also.
My name is Neeta Chopra and my business name is NJ Fashions. I am based in Silver Spring, Olney area. When you wear fashionable things from your own culture, that you are promoting your own country, own culture.
I picked this one out. It was just $10, so it was nice. And this is something I would wear at weddings or even just going to see my grandma. This is a really good set of jewelry to just have in my in all my jewelries.
All those things are stitched back home in India. So I just get it shipped here and kind of selling it here. So helping over there, taking some business to the Indian people back home.
My name is Shefali Raja and I am the founder of Revive Sari boutique. We are trying to resell the clothes, and by reselling whatever the proceed comes, we are selling, we are supporting a homeless center woman. The main reason is to bring awareness to the community to buy a second hand clothes. That way we can reduce the little bit manufacturing, whatever the climate change is happening. We love the Montgomery County, the way it has a diverse, it does lots of cultural activities. We have been here and supporting the community. That's where I started my non-profit organization here, and I am hoping to get some funding from the county and state, and to bring to have some more storefront for this one. We went to senior center and we gave them saris and dresses. We do different charity with whatever the proceed comes. Everybody should wear a sustainable fashion on a lower price, and they can enjoy the good fashion clothes too.
chutneymd.com website, and we do serve like a full dining restaurant. We have full dining restaurant and bar and everything. Very clean, and please come and visit.
I would love to try some of the food. Can you guys introduce me to some of the food that you guys have, and maybe I could try some too?
This is onion fritters, onion pakora actually in India. This is lentil patty. This is a vegetable samosa. This is a cauliflower Manchurian. It's called gobi Manchurian. And this is a vegetable biryani with the homemade curry cheese also.
The green one is called mint chutney, and this is your tamarind chutney, which is sweet. So this is slightly spicier, but this is sweeter actually.
The first one was the lentil patty. The second one is vegetable samosa.
In terms of the food that we carry is only dry snacks, and there is like about a range of 10 to 12 different dry snack items, which includes mostly savories and few sweets. These are all unique, not in just their appearance, but in terms of their flavors, the taste that they offer. So whatever you will see in our products are all kosher, traditional and real organic ingredients. No color, no preservatives, no fragrance like flavors. Everything is the real stuff that we are offering. Personally, my favorite is the fruit and nut cake. It is one of the best. Like, I can just finish it myself. Do you want to try some?
Sure. Guys, this is delicious. You have the cookies. Definitely gotta try those.
One of the cereal mixes. It has cashews and raisins as well, and it has 5 different types of cereals in it.
Oh my god! Oh my goodness, this is good. That is really good.
Pan. So in India, we consume this after meals mostly. It is like a sweeter version, like a semi-dessert.
Okay.
And then you can consume it after meals like dinner and lunch.
It's like as fresh as it can get.
It is made out of betel leaves.
Oh wow.
Yep. And it just melts in your mouth. It is good on your tummy, it is good on your mouth. Like, it gives nice fresh breath.
So it's like a mouth freshener, and it cleanses your palates. And it's made of rose petals and sugar and everything good about it.
Wow.
Yeah. So trust me, each and everything that we are carrying here is very, very unique. It may look something that you have already seen it in the market, in the grocery stores, but the flavor that you get out of after eating is something that you will know only after you eat them. We are in Clarksburg, very close to the Harris Teeter grocery store in Clarksburg area. So, and we have a website, thegandhifoods.com. We have a WhatsApp where you can just send a message on the WhatsApp, and then you can see the whole product catalog, and then you can just communicate via that as well.
I'm Anisha and I live in Clarksburg, Maryland. It is so much fun to see our Indian heritage in our own neighborhood and being celebrated in such a big way. It's so much fun to see people, not only Indian, but from other cultures coming and looking at the vendors. It was so fascinating to see our culture being represented and Diwali being celebrated, and I hope next year it's bigger.
What we're trying to do here is spread the same joy that Diwali brings into our lives and in our homes to everybody else.
Just the encouragement of the next generation carrying on the legacy of our culture.
Our religious holidays have more meaning than just like gods and stuff. It's more like light over darkness, like festival colors, especially Diwali. It's even though it's about the gods, like the message it carries is not just about religious. It's very like, oh, light will always win over darkness. I think that's very important for people to know.
There's like a lot of practices, a lot of festivals that we have, and I feel like once you get in with an open mind and you're just like you immerse yourself in the culture, it's actually the most fun thing you'll experience in my personal opinion.
Hey, Rose! Yay! There we go.
And I imagine they're very shy.